Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best wiper switches is probably one of the most overlooked yet absolutely critical components in your vehicle, silently ensuring your clear vision and safety during unpredictable weather conditions, from a sudden downpour to a light mist, making them an indispensable part of your daily commute and overall driving experience, often taken for granted until they fail when you need them most. Number 5. Beck Arnley 201-2040 Wiper Switch. This switch is engineered to perfectly match the original equipment's form, fit, and function. You can trust it to integrate seamlessly into your vehicle's system. It is manufactured using only high-quality materials and componentry. This ensures superior durability and reliable performance for years to come. Constructed to withstand even the harshest engine environments, this switch is built to last. It can handle extreme conditions without compromising its functionality. Every unit undergoes 100% testing for both mechanical and electrical performance. This rigorous process guarantees its reliability and safety. Designed with application-specific precision, it ensures a correct and secure fit for your vehicle. Installation is straightforward, providing peace of mind. What we like. This switch offers an exact OE match, ensuring seamless integration and reliable performance. It's built with high-quality materials to withstand harsh conditions, guaranteeing durability. If you are looking for a direct, reliable replacement that meets original equipment standards, you should consider this one. What people say. Number 4. Painless Performance 80173 Windshield Wiper Switch. Upgrade your vehicle's functionality with this essential component. It provides reliable and precise control over your windshield wipers. This switch offers 3 distinct positions: off, low, and high. Easily adjust your wiper speed to match any driving condition. Beyond just wipers, it also includes convenient windshield washer spray control. Keep your view crystal clear with a simple activation. Designed for universal compatibility, this switch is versatile for many applications. You can install it in a wide range of vehicles. Installing it is straightforward and hassle-free. This unit is engineered to fit perfectly into a standard 7/16-inch hole. What we like. This versatile switch provides essential 3-position control along with integrated windshield washer spray functionality. Its universal fit design makes it adaptable to a wide range of vehicles. If you are building a custom project or need a flexible solution for various applications, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. Standard WP409 Windshield Wiper Switch. Introducing a crucial component for clear visibility. This switch ensures your windshield wipers operate smoothly and effectively. Equipped with a 7-terminal design, it provides comprehensive control over your vehicle's wiping functions. This robust configuration ensures reliable performance. Don't forget your rear view. It also includes dedicated control for your rear wiper, keeping your entire vehicle's glass clear. For varying weather conditions, this switch offers an intermittent wiper setting. It allows you to customize the wiping frequency for optimal visibility. Designed for a vehicle-specific fit, installation is straightforward and precise. You can trust it to integrate perfectly with your car's electrical system. Crafted for lasting performance, this switch is built to withstand daily use. It's a dependable choice for maintaining clear vision on the road. What we like. This switch stands out with its advanced features, including rear wiper and intermittent control capabilities. It's designed as a vehicle-specific part, ensuring precise compatibility and optimal functionality. If your vehicle requires sophisticated wiper control, especially for rear wipers or customizable intermittent settings, this option is perfectly suited. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as requested. Number 2. GM Genuine Parts D6257C Multifunction Switch. This essential component seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's electronics. It helps to optimize various functions, ensuring your car performs at its best. As a GM recommended replacement, it's designed to perfectly match your GM vehicle's original factory component. You can trust it for a precise fit and reliable operation. It delivers the exceptional quality, reliability, and durability you expect from GM original equipment. This ensures long-lasting performance and peace of mind. Manufactured to strict GM OE specifications, it guarantees perfect fit, form, and function. This precision engineering ensures it operates just like the original part. Designed for a vehicle-specific fit, it ensures compatibility with your particular model. This makes installation straightforward and guarantees optimal performance. What we like. This is a comprehensive multifunction switch, combining turn signal, headlight dimmer, wiper, and hazard controls in one unit. It's a GM-recommended replacement, offering the quality and durability of original equipment. If you own a GM vehicle and need a single, integrated solution that maintains factory-level performance across multiple functions, this is your go-to. What people say. No suitable reviews found in the provided empty source. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 1. Toyota 84652 to 14642 wiper switch. Introducing the genuine Toyota 84652 to 14642 windshield wiper switch. This crucial component ensures clear visibility in all weather conditions. It is specifically designed as a direct replacement for your vehicle's original part. You can trust its quality and performance for consistent operation. Measuring just 8.77 L x 3.85 W x 2.95 H inches, it boasts a compact form factor. This ensures a perfect fit within your dashboard assembly. Weighing only 0.4 pounds, it is remarkably lightweight. This makes installation straightforward and doesn't add unnecessary bulk. Each package contains one unit of this electronic switch. It's ready to be installed right out of the box, restoring full functionality to your wipers. What we like. This genuine Toyota part ensures perfect compatibility and the highest standards of quality for your vehicle. Its precise engineering guarantees reliable and consistent wiper operation. If you drive a Toyota and prioritize maintaining original manufacturer specifications and performance, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.